Hey folks, Kevin here. I'm not sure what the date is actually. I've been in my office for so many days in a row, so many hours, finishing up my manuscript and all. And we had a warm spell, and then we had a real cold spell, and we've had high winds for several days. We're going to have big storm winds soon, and people have had many trees down, some tornadoes touching down in various locations, not near us here in central New York so far, but there are some, I'm not sure, not warnings, but the lower level than warnings. It's actually close to 60. It was like 54, 55 degrees when I went outside a little while ago. And I thought what I'd do is come around and take a look and see if I can see where I am, how many trees are down and all. They're down every place around here. So, and then Thea asked me to bring some material out to the compost pile, so I just did that. But the thing I wanted to say today is, sorry I haven't been uploading very often lately. That's going to change somewhat now, now that I've gotten my manuscript finally ready for copy editing, which means that I'm going to review some potential copy editors and then send out, I think it's 55 chapters. It ended up being 24. This is the 24th draft, and over 96,000 words. So it was a huge endeavor on my part. So anyways, there'll be some songs that are going to get uploaded. One was uploaded today. There'll be one uploaded just about every day for now on for a while, because as I go through the chapters, and I've been through them so many times, but not thoroughly. So I'm starting to go through the chapters bit by bit, and I'm extracting out some of the information for some of the songs. So those are going to be some of the things that you're going to see in videos coming up. And I've had people in the past say, hey, where can I get this song and all? So I thought what I'd do is, instead of just incorporating them in some of my time-lapse videos and all, post them as individual videos, and they'll all be in a playlist that people can play and all, so they don't have to watch a whole video to find that song. And so I'm going to try and work through some of the songs that are basically that have come out of the chapters and all. I had to dig pretty deep for writing some of these chapters, go back to some childhood and various phases of life and all. So you'll get some of that coming up soon. And so the next couple weeks are going to be busy, and I'm going to be trying to catch up on the rest of the things, the paperwork and all, so I can get back to work and all. God knows there's enough stuff to do around here. And I'm kind of thankful that I could at least get this manuscript finished to the point where we'll see what happens next. So copy editing, and then and I'll probably self-publish this first. It'll end up being on Amazon, and I'm not sure where else yet. I'll probably do that. And if it seems to be a book that people are really interested in, because it's going to cover my life story, it's going to cover dyslexia, it's going to cover some, the various phases of life that are introduced in it. So the challenges from working in a factory, getting divorced, adopting a son, having 2 children, raising thoroughbred horses for the racetrack, then starting the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center, then going off to getting my undergraduate degree at Oswego State, and then going off to Cornell, getting our degrees, each of us getting our doctorates in veterinary medicine. Then I went on, did my internship in small animal medicine and surgery, came back and was an instructor at Cornell for a couple of years, and all of this stuff's going to be in the book. And then I helped found the Veterinary Medical Center of Central New York and Syracuse. I wasn't an owner, but I was the first internal medicine specialist there, building the facility from an old emergency clinic. I'm watching the geese. They're coming back. That's so beautiful seeing them. And then ultimately me leaving the VMC and going full-time, building our bit of paradise here at Mindful Living Sanctuary. So the book's going to cover from everything I can remember as a small child right up to this point in time now. The relationships, the ups, the downs, the challenges, and all of that. So anyways, that's going to be about it for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and drive back. I'm at base camp right now. The snow is melted enough so that I can get down the roadway at this point, and I just wanted to see how things are. And I can hear the winds picking up behind me. So I may keep the video running for a few minutes on my ride back, and you can listen to some songs, I guess. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy the feedback that I get from everyone. It's heartwarming. It makes me feel a little bit better about continuing with this. Oh, the other thing is, I'm going to be spending some time reworking our website, mindfullivingsanctuary.com, and revamping the YouTube channel as well. So we'll see what comes out of all this. Here we go.
I ain't no filmmaker from Hollywood town. My camera shakes when I pan around. I miss the focus, the lighting's wrong. Half my edits run too long. There are better lenses, better drones in the sky, folks with fancy gear and a sharper eye. But I just press record and live my days, trying to share honest country ways. 'Cause I'm just living life the best I can on a little piece of dirt and a little bit of land. It ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free and grace grows wild like a forest tree. If you need peace, sit a while, you'll find it here. My simple life. They call it Mindful Living Sanctuary, and it changed our lives, healed our hearts, opened our eyes. There's energy here you can't explain, a quiet strength in sun and rain. Thea's chatter and laughter in the morning light, fireflies dancing on summer nights. Every season writes its song, and somehow we all belong. I'm just living life the best I can on a little piece of dirt and a little bit of land. That ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free and grace grows wild like a forest tree. If you need peace, sit a while, you'll find it here in the simple life. Deer in the food forest, turkeys on the lane, songbirds singing after the rain. Beaver ponds shining in evening light, everything's gotta beat alright. We don't turn away a living soul, every creature has its role. From tiny wings to the tall oak trees, we welcome all of God's families. So the videos may never be grand, just rough cut moments from this land. But if they help you slow your pace, then they found their rightful place. I'm just living life the best I can, with calloused hands and a simple plan. It ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free and hope grows strong for you and me. If your world feels lost in the noise and strife, come and rest a spell in the simple life. Critters play where the tall grass sways, and love still lives in quiet ways. Every morning starts the same old way. A voice in your head got something to say. It'll tell you you're stuck, tell you you're small, or it'll tell you get up. You ain't done it all. That voice don't care if it's right or wrong, it just grows roots if you let it stay long. What you think is what you become. Every road you walk, every race you run. Call yourself broken, you'll limp along. Call it a lesson, you'll come back strong. You can curse the rain or use it to grow. What you think is what you become, you know. You can wear the label, life's done me wrong. Carry that weight till your back bends strong. Blame every loss on fate or time, or sharpen the edge of a stubborn mind. Failure ain't a verdict, it's a clue, pointing straight at what you gotta do. What you think is what you become, a loaded gun or a callous thumb. Say you're a victim, that's where you'll stay. Say I'll learn, you'll find a way. You can sit in the dark or strike a flame. What you think is what you become. I've seen men fall and never stand, 'cause they shook hands with the word can't. I've seen others bleed, learn to fight, turn every wrong into a guiding light. The world don't bend, it don't pretend, but it'll meet you where your thinking ends. When you fail, don't bow your head. Ask yourself what the failure said. It ain't the end, it's a sharpened stone for building strength you didn't know you owned. What you think is what you become, a locked steel door or a kingdom won. If you think this pain is all you are, you'll never see how strong you are. Choose your words like seeds you sow. What you think is what you become. So mind that voice when the night comes down. It's either building you up or running you down. Life gives chances dressed as pain. Think like a grower, not a man in chains. In the end, it's simple, cold and true. What you think becomes you.